Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of internet, Wi-Fi or Microsoft Teams not working on your company laptop. So you can see that I am not able to load any page on the browser. So what you have to do is you have to go to the taskbar and now click on this arrow icon. Now you will see your VPN there. Just right click over it and then click on the Open Semantic WSS Agent. Now it will open a window. Just click on the Reconnect button. Wait for a few seconds. And you can see that the company VPN is now connected. Close this window. And now you can do the browsing. You can see that the page is loading. So this is how you can fix the issue of internet, Wi-Fi and Microsoft Teams not working on company laptop. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.